Oh yeah.
We're about to fucking start this bitch up.
Alright, boys. Let's, no. Wait for me to get my phone out.
We got fucking royal purple. We got fucking more royal purple.
Just 1 second. I'm gonna go.
We got the coolant in it.
You know what?
We're gonna piss him off a little bit.
No.
No, Nolan, who gives a shit?
I do.
Fuck him, dude.
Who? Fuck your neighbors, dude. Open headers. Open heads. Where's the flashlight?
You had one right.
I think we should wait
No
till
one-
the phone's charged, boys.
Nolan, where'd you put the flashlight?
You had the flash.
No, you fucking took it from me.
Boys, 1 second. I need to do the extension cord going.
An extension cord.
I need to charge my phone better. Where'd the extension cord go?
Open heads.
Dude, did you put it away? 1 second, Nolan. 1 sec.
I'm not starting yet.
Actually, you know what? I don't need the video. It's
Fuck, gonna be mint. Got the coolant in it.
1 sec, dude.
She's ready.
Three stuff, man. Oh,
Nolan's gonna fucking turn her over.
Superstore shirt.
Tell me when
Fucking
you're going.
sick.
Oh, I'm right.
Say 3, 2, 1 when you're going.
Idiot.
You guys put the damn things on.
You're
Idiot.
the one that turned the windshield wipers on, you dumbass.
No.
Put them back down. Put them back down.
Don't blow your battery.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3,
Open heads.
2, 1.
Did you see some of the fucking flames?
I hope you got a video of the flames.
Oh,
It
yeah.
wasn't. I don't know if it was flames, but it was something
No,
shooting
were
out of there.
flames. They were flames, dude.
Holy, dude. That's fucking sick, dude. It runs.
Dude, it sounded nasty.
Fuck,
That's not a good sound.
dude.
And I like the little fart at the end though.
Dude, that's sick. Yeah, dude. Fucking sick. Piss Garage update.
Oh, that stunk. So
rsx-s is almost done.
bad.